ACER Supra 618II, a supercut manual precision grinder, guaranteed 2/10 overall flatness. 10 great reasons to go Supra 618II. 1. Dynamic balance 3 horsepower. Class V3 spindle motor for heavy stock removal. 2. Heavy structure cartridge type with rubber coupling spindle design for easy maintenance. This precision spindle comes with 4 Class 7 angular contact precision bearing to support 8-inch OD by 3/4 to 1-inch straight thickness by 1 1/4 ID grinding wheel to increase productivity. 3. Super high column, 19 5/16 inch from spindle center to table surface, 1 1/4 inch higher than other brands for tall parts grinding. 4. Extra wide 24-inch saddle with double V Turcite B-way. The 2V way are 21.5 inches wide for stable full table movement of 21 inches. 5. Large machine base with 24-inch wide and 28-inch deep, and machine weighs 1,700 pounds to assure accuracy and stability of machine. 6. Precision ball rolling way and vacuum heat treated Rockwell 55 guide way driven by belt for smooth table movement. 7. Ergonomic bottom down feed design on waist height with 1/10 direct read increment. 8. Auto loop system which can adjust best lubrication for machine to run in long life. 9. CE approved electrical cabinet with the electricity cutoff on-off switch for safety. All components are controlled by 24-volt power and can easily be found at ACER's parts department or local supply. 10. Free halogen light and splash guard. Balancing stand with arbor. More than $500 value included as standard accessories. The machine is covered by ACER's full 1-year no-nonsense part warranty. It is the best in our industry. ACER Group originally started as a grinding business 30 years ago. We are very proud to have this as our backbone to keep manufacturing machines with the grinding concept in mind. Even with the most fundamental, the essential precision manual surface grinder, the Supra 618II is the highest standard in our industry. Hundreds of the Supra 618II are used all around our country, day in and day out, to produce the most accurate quality parts that customers need. We hope your next manual grinder will be an ACER Precision Supra 618II grinder.